had an ultrasound, and they found that the placenta was covering the opening where Paige needed to come out, and they basically told me that I couldn't go into labor by myself or else she would die. She wouldn't make it.
I gave too long.
The first time I saw her, they didn't let me hold her because she had too many tubes.
No mystery.
So then the next day, they let me hold her, and I don't know, it sounds really cheesy, but the best way to describe it is that I felt complete. Like, everything's gonna be okay. And it was.
The sun makes its course by the eve across the sky.
I think that the sonographer really saved Paige's life. She's my friend. I can't thank her enough. I'll love her forever, I guess. Which I already do.
I'm always amazed at what we do here. We see patients from birth to caring for people as they move on to the final stages of their life. We have the ability to care for people through all of these situations and make sure that they're able to get the kind of care that they expect from a healthcare facility.
TMC is so important to this community. I give primarily to support Truman's mission, part of which is to provide funding for women's health care programs and provide better health care for women and children.
Don't give up on me now. This can all be mended.
My assumptions of what a safety net hospital was drastically changed when I came here. When I noticed or observed the environment, the quality of the facility itself. The reality is Truman is on par with the best of what Kansas City has to offer.
Cancer is a very scary word. I had no insurance, and TMC was the only hospital that would give me an appointment. I thought that there was something wrong with my left breast, and when I called other places, they refused me because I didn't have insurance, or I would have to pay an astronomical amount to be seen, and I didn't have it. I had a preconceived notion of Truman Medical Center. We were a middle-class family, never thinking that I would get the care and the love that I have from this hospital. It's been amazing.
Just need to have you take big, deep breaths in and out through your mouth.
I never thought that I would need Truman Medical Center until I did need it.
TMC truly is a very, very important part of Kansas City and our community. I give to TMC to support people like Debbie and to continue to help people that have nowhere else to turn. I would love to see more and more people visit Truman and understand the mission of Truman Medical Centers. Because if they did, then they would realize how important TMC is to our community and to the people in this community.
I have been now since last July in chemotherapy, 4 different types. And in July, I will be done. TMC was my savior.